Can you talk to us? Can you talk to us?
911, what is the address of your emergency?
I'm at 1401 West Sullivan Avenue at the Marathon gas station. I have a lady here that's flipping out. The store owner told me to call the police. She needs a paramedic, so I think she's off of some bad drugs.
Okay, is she white, black, Hispanic?
She's white. She has orange Savage pants on with a colorful, flowerful shirt. She's yelling and kicking and banging up against the. I can't see any, but
okay.
She's throwing herself against. Oh God.
Okay, we'll get officers and medics out that way to help her out. Are you going to stay there, ma'am? Like, are you going to stay at are you leaving?
I have my son with me. I don't want him to see this, so.
No problem. You want to leave your name or
him.
anything?
My name's the store owner's name is Ali.
Okay, we'll have him out to help Ali out as soon as we can. I apologize for interrupting you. I just want to get him some help out there fast so she stops.
Oh, no, you're fine. I wish I could stay to try to help her, but she's, like, kicking and swinging, and I don't know what kind of drug she's on. I just don't want her to harm me or my baby.
Sure, no problem. You go ahead and take off. We'll get officers and medics out to help her, okay?
Okay, thank you.
What's going on? What's going on? What are you crying for? You on drugs right now? What's going on? Can you talk to us? It's what? It's what? What are you on right now? Can you talk to us? Can you talk to us? Call for a 24. 84. 84. I get a 24 at my location. I think it's possible 49A. Can you tell us why you're crying? Can you tell us what's going on? She's not talking to us, so she won't answer any of our questions or anything. Yeah.
What's up, Mommy? What happened? Huh? You need some help? Need to go to the hospital?
No.
No? What you want me to take you to the hospital?
Please, no.
Get your value.
We think you need to go to the hospital. We can't tell what's going on with you. Can you talk to us? Can you tell us what's going on? What are you on right now? Can you tell us what you're on right now? Because you got to be on something acting like this.
Come on, let me help you.
You help us. You stand up for us. That's all.
One more, Joe.
Yeah.
We'll be following you outside.
Yeah.